In this video, we're going to be showing you how to run a multi-state payroll in QuickBooks Online. So managing payroll accurately across multiple states is crucial for compliance with state tax laws and ensures your employees are paid correctly and on time. So what you're going to have to do first is simply go to QuickBooks Online and log into your account. From there, you're going to have to make sure your company file and payroll subscriptions are active. So from the dashboard, you're then going to have to navigate to payroll in the left-hand menu. And from there, you're then going to have to click on employees to ensure all your staff information is up to date. So for multi-state payroll, simply verify that each employee's work location and state tax settings are correct. So if an employee works in a different state than your business location, you're then going to have to go to the employee file, click edit payroll information, and under taxes, you're then going to have to add the appropriate state and local tax settings for that employee. So QuickBooks will then automatically calculate the state income tax, unemployment tax, and other payroll obligations for each state. And in order to run the payroll, you're then going to have to make sure you're on the payroll dashboard, then click Run Payroll. Then simply select the pay schedule and verify employee hours, rates, and deductions. So QuickBooks Online will also automatically calculate the federal and state taxes for all employees, including those in different states. Then finally, simply double check that all the multi-state taxes are calculated correctly, then submit the payroll. So employees will then receive their payments via direct deposit or paychecks, depending on your setup. And after the payroll is processed, you can also generate reports if you want to. So to do this, you're then going to have to go to the reports, then payroll report. So simply use this to verify tax withholdings and multi-state payroll compliance. And that's it. So by keeping employee information and state tax settings accurate, you can also streamline your payroll processing and stay compliant across multiple states. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.